Hey guys, welcome back. Now, you've seen this kind of video before where we talked about group roles and expectations. Listen, we're going to do a 7th grade unit this time. In this unit, we're going to stretch it, okay? We're going to talk about integers. Now, we've already talked about integers a little bit, and we've barely touched on adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. But let's be honest, a lot of us barely practiced them, and we still need some help. Now, this unit is going to be a little bit different because we're going to have different group roles, and you might not have to do everything, or there might be some additional lessons just for you. So here we're going to get started on our group roles. First one, we have our group facilitator. Now, everybody knows what the group facilitator is. That's the person that's kind of in charge, right? Okay, that person is going to track the members' progress of the group. They're going to evaluate agency and collaboration for this unit. We're going to maintain norms and within our group, and we're going to keep everybody on task. Okay, now some of the required skills to be a group facilitator: you need to be organized, you need to be friendly, on task, and focused, and you need to have good time management. Okay, just keep in mind you will have to evaluate your team members on agency and collaboration every day. All right. Next one is the careful communicator. Now this one's a little bit different than before. Okay, careful communicator. What's that? Well, the careful communicator is going to be the only person who can ask an adult facilitator for help from your group. Okay, so you are the only one. You're also going to schedule workshops for the group members. Okay, you're going to answer questions for the group concerning the following assignments and required tasks. If Mr. Williams has something he wants to share with you, or with your group, you're the one that's going to communicate that. Homework, assignments, things like that that need to get done, you're communicating those with your group, okay? Now, required skills: you need to be resourceful, you need to be good at talking to people, okay? You need to be on task, and you need to be helpful. That's really important. The third one is the integer ninja, okay? Now, the integer ninja is person that can slice through positive and negative numbers without batting an eye. So you got to be good at positive and negative numbers. That means you have to have a really good understanding of them. Hopefully you can already add and subtract, maybe multiply and divide them, or you're really close. Okay, you might be required to lead some how-to workshops. And the required skills to be an integer ninja is to have some strong computation skills. You need to like math, obviously. And you need to be able to finish your work quickly and accurately. You should not do this position if you are somebody that takes a really long time to get through lessons, because it's just going to make you farther and farther behind, and that's not going to work. Okay, remember, you're being scored on agency and collaboration during this unit. All right, and finally the last person is the material manager. Now, the material manager is the person who's responsible for maintaining the group folder. Now, that used to be the group facilitator, but we're going to make this the material manager. This person is also responsible for checking team member progress, providing supplies and materials to the student when presented by the teacher. So, for example, okay, if Mr. Williams has an assignment that he needs to give out, he's going to give it to the material manager, and that material manager must provide it to each member of their group. Okay, a requirement of the material manager is simple. You just need to be organized. Okay, that's all we're asking. So those are our 4 group roles. We have the group facilitator, the careful communicator, the integer ninja, and the material manager. Ladies and gentlemen, you are going to sign up for one, but you're going to order these from your top 3. Okay, please make sure that you understand you might not get the one you like or you want the most, but you will get one in your top 3. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good afternoon.